Dear friends, Divine Mercy term we hear many times in our liturgical celebrations, in preaching, in prayers, and in our devotions to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Divine Mercy is the explanation of God's love for us. It means God's love and His grace meeting human suffering. Whenever we suffer something, when we are in trouble, when we are in problems, God's love comes to rescue us. And that's the explanation given in this term called Divine Mercy. This term, Divine Mercy, is unfathomable. It's so large, like ocean. We cannot explain or contain in small little reflections that we can have. But we can have some experience of Divine Mercy. So Divine Mercy Sunday is celebrated on the second Sunday in Easter season. And that day we have been given the passage to reflect, that is Thomas putting his finger into the scar made by nails in his hands and put his hand into the pierced side of Jesus. And that's the image we get. And whenever I see this image in my heart, for me, I have a story to recount. There was a girl who asked her mother, "Mom, don't you love me anymore?" Because her mother did not buy for her an iPad. So she thought that she was not being loved. One fine day, her mother called her, "Come, daughter, I will show something." And she put out old photo album to show her something. And she turned the photos one after one. She asked her, "Do you remember why do I keep these photos of yours in the hospital? You used to ask me often, why do I have these photographs with me? Or why do I have a scar on my tummy? Or even you asked me once when we were having a bath in the swimming pool, and you said, why is the scar on my stomach, Mom? Come, I will tell you. When you were young, your liver got affected very badly, and doctor suggested me that your liver must be transplanted. This will cause someone's liver to be sliced and implanted into your affected liver. And this will also cost life of someone, a huge amount of money, but thank God you are alive." And she lifted up that her blouse and showed the scar on her tummy and told, this is where my liver was sliced and inserted into your liver. And she lifted up the blouse of the girl and showed, this is the scar where my piece of liver is located. And thank God we are alive today. My dear brothers and sisters, God also has His love and His mercy shown to us in the scar that Jesus got. Tremendous amount of scars on His head, on His hands, and on His feet, everywhere. And finally, He let His heart being pierced so that water and blood flowed. And that's also the origin of all the sacraments of our church. Today, when we think about this Divine Mercy, this is invitation for each one of us to pour our sufferings, our pains, our struggles into the hand of Jesus, into His pierced side of Jesus, so that He can heal you, so that He can give you a new direction of your life, so that you will overcome your pains and struggles. That's what holds you back from experiencing His infinite love and mercy. Today, when we reflect, when we have devotions to offer to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, offer your heart, broken heart, open your broken relationships into His hands, so that He may heal you and He will give you a new life and a new birth, so that you may live your lives well. And this is also an invitation for you to be the channel of God's grace and His mercy to other people. Don't hold on to scars that people give you through hurts and through betrayals, etc. Never ever let that scars be there into your heart to stop you experiencing His infinite love and mercy. Thank you for listening.